This is the macro show. This is pregame, okay? We're trying to play the game that's in front of us today. You know, leadership matters at Hedgeye. So again, being transparent, accountable, and trustworthy people. This is a game about playing and weighing probability. It's not about picking stocks. It's about picking the right portfolio.
All right, we'll go to the number 2 question. So we're kind of in the asking the top questions day to day. Good morning. Are you planning to be taking SLV and GDX off ETF Pro today according to risk ranges? I would like to book the loss before becoming much larger. Thanks, guys.
No.
Good.
It's at the low end of the range. I'm not going to do that. Yeah. Should you do it for yourself, then just do it, you know?
Yep.
I sold everything else other than those things. That's why I'm getting the question. You know, what a good, you know, okay. Did I sell platinum a lot higher? Yeah. Did I sell, you know, silver miners a lot higher? Yeah. The only things I didn't sell, and I have them right here. So for me, what's this number? GDX.
2.
SLV.
1.
3% of my hard-earned capital's in those things at the low end of the range. I've lived so far a long and healthy life, God willing. If those things go down 8% today, how much of my capital do I lose? They're not. They're up. But again, this is why the macro. If you're chinsing and you don't want to see what I'm doing intraday, that's on you, right? Like you can't be sitting there saying, "Well, I didn't know that." Well, yeah, you didn't know that because you didn't pay for that. But I'd been taking these positions down, and in the other cases, I took them right out. These two, I'm going to keep them. Actually, you just gave me more reason to keep them because more people. If that's the number 2 ranked question, there's a high and rising probability that those things go up now from here. Well, mainly because they're coming from the low end of their range, you know, and then they'd be bullish trend, then you're going to be buying them back. So again, 3%. Let's just do the math. Okay. Here's somebody said, Richie asked me, had this the other day. How many minutes do I got? I really got to be on the open here in 3 minutes.
3 minutes. Okay.
So let's say that you're relatively new to this and you run $100 of your own money. That's your pile. By the way, that's more than what I had in 1999 net, because I had my student debt. Okay, so Jonesy, what is 1% of 100?
$1
equals $1. $1 in silver I have today. Okay, so let's say that silver goes down 2% today. How much of my dollar do I lose?
2 cents.
Oh. If this goes down minus 2% today, I lose 2 cents. This isn't 50 cents, this is mucker cent, 2 cents. Now, what is 2 cents divided by my pile? What is it? Do you need a calculator? It's 2 basis points, right? And that's if silver was down 2% today. 2 basis points. So this is the whole point. When something breaks trend, I reduce, I don't buy. Okay? Today you're asking me if I should capitulate on my minimum size position, which is, so silver I have as a commodity. I have a 3% max, a 1% minimum. So I'm at my minimum because I have a 1% position. That equals my minimum. I took this down to my minimum well before it went down, or towards my minimum. So this is embedded risk management, right? Like when something breaks trend, I either get rid of it, which 80% of things I already got rid of. I kept 2 things, GDX, which is relatively new. It's only 3 days old that it's below trend, and silver, right? It may end up being a mistake, but it's a very well-controlled mistake. Again, if silver's up 1% today, how much do I make? 1 basis point. I don't make anything either. So the real question is, can silver recapture trend? Can GDX recapture trend? That could take 2 days of trading, down dollar, down interest rates, by the way. Could take 4 hours. I mean, and again, by the evidence, you guys have a very high batting average when you're asking either question, you're asking about a loser, usually, and one way to lose is to not have minimums when something gets into a place that's becoming problematic. Hey there, Hedgeye Nation, or if you're not part of Hedgeye Nation, thanks for watching Hedgeye on YouTube. If you haven't already, make sure to click on the button below there. Subscribe to our YouTube page. You can also follow the link in the description to our website to get even more great investing content.